My name's Chris Young from Norbar Torque Tools. I'm a European sales engineer and I'm talking to you today from our new facility in Banbury, Oxfordshire. Norbar Torque Tools were established in 1942 as part of the war effort providing torque wrenches for the Merlin aircraft engines. From then on we grew and we're now where we are today with two facilities in Banbury. The larger of the two being Wildmare Road, which is 3 times the size of the existing facility on Beaumont Road. We hope to move into this facility in its entirety by 2015, where we will continue making torque wrenches, torque products, and continuing to be the European leaders in these products.